Turnover, in the context of business and human resources, refers to the rate at which employees leave an organization and are replaced by new hires. It is a crucial metric for assessing the stability and health of a workforce. Turnover can be categorized into two main types: voluntary turnover and involuntary turnover. Voluntary turnover occurs when employees choose to leave the organization for reasons within their control. These reasons might include pursuing better career opportunities, seeking higher compensation, finding a more favorable work environment, or relocating for personal reasons. While some level of voluntary turnover is natural and can even bring fresh perspectives to a company, high rates of such turnover can indicate underlying issues within the organization, such as dissatisfaction, lack of growth opportunities, or poor management. Involuntary turnover, on the other hand, happens when employees are asked to leave the organization due to factors outside their control. This might include layoffs, terminations for performance or misconduct, restructuring, or changes in the company's strategic direction. Involuntary turnover can be disruptive to both the departing employees and the remaining workforce, potentially impacting morale and productivity. Organizations often aim to achieve a balance between the two types of turnover, striving to retain valuable employees while also allowing for the natural movement of talent. An excessive turnover rate, whether voluntary or involuntary, can lead to increased costs associated with recruitment, training, and lost productivity. It can also harm the company's reputation as a desirable employer, making it harder to attract top talent in the future. Several factors influence turnover rates: job satisfaction, work-life balance, compensation, career growth opportunities, company culture, and management quality are all critical determinants of employee retention. Organizations that prioritize creating a positive work environment, providing opportunities for skill development, recognizing employee contributions, and fostering open communication are more likely to experience lower turnover rates. Measuring turnover involves calculating the turnover rate, typically expressed as a percentage. The formula involves dividing the number of employees who left during a certain period by the average number of employees during that same period, then multiplying by 100. This formula helps organizations track their turnover trends over time, enabling them to identify patterns and take corrective actions if necessary. In conclusion, turnover is a significant metric that reflects the movement of employees in and out of an organization. Whether voluntary or involuntary, turnover rates provide insights into employee satisfaction, management effectiveness, and the overall health of the workplace. Organizations that manage turnover effectively can cultivate a stable, engaged workforce that contributes to their long-term success.